Natural cough remedy marshmallow root. Some can accumulate and be hard on the kidneys, Siani says. Use it only when you need it so your body can react properly to it. So which cough remedies work? Lifescript's health detective consulted experts to compile a list of commonly used natural cough remedies. Read on. Natural cough remedy number 1, marshmallow root. How it works: we're not talking about the soft, white confection here, which is no longer made with actual marshmallow plant. Real marshmallow is a root containing large sugar molecules, called mucilage. The gelatin-like substance has chemicals that decrease cough symptoms by soothing mucous membranes. It's slimy and goopy when made into a tea, but that gelatinous texture is soothing to the respiratory tract, says Kristin Stiles Green, N.M.D, a naturopathic medical doctor with Neuron Medical Corporation in Thousand Oaks, California. While this natural remedy has been used as a throat soother for thousands of years, few research studies have examined its effectiveness against coughs. But a 2005 Swiss physician's study concluded that a cough preparation of marshmallow root and other herbs provided very good cough reduction for 90% of participants who used it.